Fluency. Anna has 4/5 pounds of cookies. She places the cookies into bags that hold 1/10 pound each. So she's putting them into different bags. How many bags does she fill? Well, she's taking those 4/5 and she's dividing them into bags that only hold 1/10. So we're going to divide fractions. When we divide these fractions, we're going to do our Kentucky Fried Chicken with a twist. Kentucky Chicken Fried. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. We're going to keep that first fraction. Change the sign and flip it. Flip that second fraction. All right, so the first one, we keep it as 4/5. We change that symbol. Instead of division, we're going to multiply. Now, remember, this dot means multiply. So it's the same thing as this. It still means multiply. It's just a different way of writing it because the multiplication symbol sometimes looks like that variable x, and then we don't want to get that confused. So 4/5 times, we change that symbol. We're going to flip that second fraction, and the 10 is going to be over 1. Now we're going to be able to multiply straight across. 4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 1 is 5. So we have 40/5. Or what is 40 divided by 5? Remember, this means divided by. 40 divided by 5. Oh my gosh. 8. It's 8. So our answer is 8 bags. Bada bing, bada boom. Boom shakalaka. You got it. Great job.